Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making Venison Chili Verde. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 2 hours to cook. Serves 8 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 3 pounds venison shoulder, 2 pounds green chilies, 2 onions, 6 cloves garlic, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and flour tortillas for serving. Step 1. Chili preparation. Roast chilies over open flame until charred, peel and chop. Step 2. Browning. Brown venison cubes in batches in Dutch oven. Step 3. Aromatics. Sauté onions and garlic until softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Step 4. Assembly. Add chilies, broth, and spices, bring to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 5. Braising. Cover and simmer 1.52 hours until meat is tender. Step 6. Seasoning. Adjust salt, pepper, and spices to taste. And that's how you make Venison Chili Verde. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.